Well, welcome to our next video. So this one isn't about tools, but the tools there just to demonstrate the rest of the kit. It's another Polymath product review, and this time we're looking at their compact blade care kit. So if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. If you've got any comments, please leave them below. And if you'd like to see more of our content, we'd be grateful if you subscribe. So I think it's a really neat idea. It's another little tin kit. So if you saw the previous video with the mini survival kit, it's sort of similar sized tin. There's just the thing at the front. So this tin actually has a sharpening surface on top of it. So this is actually a 1000 grit diamond sharpening surface. You can use for resharpening blades. It can also be used as a puck for sharpening for axes and machetes. So you can, I don't want to knock the camera over, but you can hold it down and use it to sharpen the blades that way. And it can also be used for knives and things as well. So I have a very old knife here, it needs a bit of TLC. So you can use this for sharpening. In fact, I might touch it up later and get rid of some of the surface patina on it, so it's still quite sharp though. Okay, so inside the kit itself, if we open it up, you have a few additional items. So you have a cloth for applying the balm. You have the blade balm, which is a natural plant-based waxed oil or balm, which you can apply with the cloth to protect the metal from corrosion. It only needs to be applied thinly, so only a little is needed. And you can also apply it to wood and leather for waterproofing and protection. So you could, as I got a wooden handle on my knife, I could use it both for the blade and the handle itself. I've also got some blade oil in there. So this is another plant-based oil, and it can be used as a horning oil with the diamond sharpener, or for lubricating moving parts of knives. So you've got a folding knife or something, just wanted to keep it nice and free, you can use that as well. And then the final thing in there is the sharpening stone. So this is a 600 grit, and you can use for correcting small nicks in blades, or sharpening tools, which is, it's the big puck would be too big to do it with, and as you have different size surfaces on here, you can use it for different size blades. So yeah, again, a little kit, very compact. What I think I might do with this one actually is put this maybe not take everything with me at all the time, but certainly the sharpening stone, but maybe put this kit in my other bigger kit, and then I can always use the tin for making cloth if I need to, if I should, got nothing else. But then I have both sharpening stones together in one go. So yeah, another nice little product from Polymath. I'm not on commission from them, so I've just bought a load of their stuff, and I really like the stuff they do. They have got some other stuff which I don't own yet, which I'll probably get in the near future, and then I'll show you that as well. One of the things I do have them is not worth a video on its own, so I'll just show you it now. A couple of things really, is they do a little belt pouches. I know you get belt pouches anywhere, but these fit their tin kits. So if you can either put their mini survival kit or their sharpening kit or something in there. And then there's a tinder or match safe as well. So this is a metal one. You can put your say stormproof matches in there, and then a bit of tinder on top, or just keep it for tinder. So there's two other products that you might find useful. I'll just do that. Okay, thank you very much.